Why are you looking like that? You don't have a TikTok. He always saying TikTok. Well, since y'all here, go follow My Dysfunctional Family on TikTok. Marley McFly, Punky Brewster, TikTok, YouTube. Go follow them. Go follow them on TikTok, YouTube, My Dysfunctional Family, Marty McFly, Punky Brewster, Punky Mike, Shakia, Facebook. Great things are coming in the future for them. So y'all gotta stay tuned, stay locked, put God first. We love y'all support. We appreciate y'all support. Keep support. A road to 100K. 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 National Sons Day. And I honestly don't remember it being that close to National Daughters Day. I thought it was in March. I could have swore it was in March. Her hair is growing so much.
Duty, it's yours. It's not yours. Look, Duty. Duty don't care about no clothes. It's yours now. You got a basketball. Whose is this? Well, son, happy National Son. It's not your son. Daughters or sons? This year, I don't know why. I didn't even tell Tay. Hey, y'all, birthday or something. Last year was after. So it's National Sons Day. Why did you get your son